Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Dragon Age The Veilguard, guys, and I'm about to show you in this tutorial that how actually I got a copy of the game for free. So if you want to learn how to do this, guys, in your own platform, then watch this video tutorial until the end, guys. I'm going to share with you steps I did for myself for my PC5, so you can learn also how to do it also any platform that you play. Okay, it's pretty simple, guys. Make sure you don't skip any part of the tutorial so you can understand everything you need to know. And we'll start this tutorial immediately right now. I'll just turn the camera on the other side to show all the steps you need to know. As you can see, guys, I have right here in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game. It doesn't matter the device that you have. I'm just using iPhone because this is what I use. If you have Android device, guys, it's totally fine. The steps are going to be the same for the both devices. So basically, guys, we're going to get a game code which you can redeem after the game in any platform that you play. So mine, I got it by SMS. I'm going to show it to you how it looks like. If you decide also to get it by text, it's going to look like this. It says, congratulations, task is being completed successfully. This is a game code, which is one-time use. This is your Dragon Age The Veilguard game code from Risk Coupon. So basically, guys, I went to this site, and then you have a lot of other things later you can check if you're interested for something else. I'm just going to type the name of the game. Okay. Here it is. In the next page, it's going to show you different platforms. As you can see, you have PC5, Xbox, and PC. You just need to choose which platform you are playing. The steps are the same for the whole platforms, guys. So just choose which you are playing. So I'll just continue with the PC5 since I did it for myself. Unlock the code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds, guys, so the whole circle to get completed 100%. And once it's going to be done, it's going to redirect you guys to another page when it's required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. So it's very simple to do. Just follow me. I'm going to explain to you, and very easy. In fact, you just need to read the description. It says download the complete 2 apps below in order to unlock Dragon Age The Veilguard game code. After complete the task, enter phone number, email above. So basically, as you saw, me, I got a SMS because I put my phone number. If you want, you can put your email, guys. This is on your own choice how you want to get the code. But before you do that, you just need to scroll it down to the list below. You're going to have a couple of apps. As you can see, all of them there for free, guys, and all of them they are from App Store and Play Store, so you don't have to do anything outside official stores. Everything is from official stores. So all you have to do, guys, you just need to choose two of these two apps. Try to find which is easiest and fastest so you don't lose too much time. And you just need to read the instructions, guys, because every app have different instructions, so make sure you read it so you can do it correctly, okay? And make sure you are a new user only. For example, if you see TikTok, it's very simple task to do. It says just to download the app and to run it just for 30 seconds. So it's like 45 seconds task, but you should be a new user only. Since TikTok is very popular, you need to make sure you don't have it downloaded before the app in your device. So if you have TikTok, you should not do this one. Choose another one, okay? So me, guys, I did Flip Sport and I did Hive Casino. They was very simple task. It took like 3-4 minutes to complete it both. And so how it works, once you're gonna choose, you just need to press on it. For example, Flip, you just need, it says again the instruction what you have to do. It says just to install and to open. So tap to install. It's going to redirect me to App Store because I'm using iOS, and you to Play Store if you're using Android. As you can see, to me it shows open because I've done it before for myself. So I just downloaded it, I just open it, the app, and just run it for 30 seconds, and that's it. I did High Five Casino, as you can see here. So same thing also, High Five Casino. Tap to install. It was the same instruction. You just wanted to download the app and to run it, guys. So just I downloaded, as you can see, open again, and then I run it. After I did both of them, guys, I came back here, put my phone number. All right, I just submitted, and a couple of minutes after, guys, they just send me by SMS the code. So basically, guys, this is it. I hope it was helping you. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll be happy to help you. Cheers.